Have you ever heard the phrase, "Your faith is your fortune"? This quote by Neville Goddard speaks to the power of faith in manifestation. In this video, we will explore the concept of faith in manifestation and how it can help you achieve your desired outcomes. Whether you're new to the idea of manifestation or seeking to deepen your practice, this video will provide valuable insights on how to cultivate faith and harness its power to manifest your dreams. The video is going to be interesting, so watch this video till the end. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Neville Goddard believed that faith was the cornerstone of success and prosperity. In his book, Your Faith is Your Fortune, he emphasizes the importance of beliefs and faith in creating the life we desire. Beliefs are the foundation of our lives. They are the thoughts and ideas that we hold about ourselves, others, and the world around us. Our beliefs shape our attitudes, behaviors, and experiences. If we have positive, empowering beliefs, we are more likely to experience positive outcomes. If we have negative, limiting beliefs, we are more likely to experience negative outcomes. Goddard believed that our beliefs determine our reality. He said, "Your belief is the mold or matrix from which all your experiences spring forth." In other words, our beliefs act as a blueprint for our lives. They determine what we attract into our lives and what we repel. According to Goddard, faith is the power that transforms our beliefs into reality. He said, "Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Faith is the unwavering conviction that our desires will manifest, even if we cannot see the evidence of it yet. Faith is the fuel that drives our beliefs into action." To harness the power of faith, we must first identify our limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Goddard believed that the key to changing our beliefs was to visualize the desired outcome as if it had already happened. He said, "Assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled and observe the route that your attention follows." For example, if you want to attract wealth into your life, you must first identify any limiting beliefs you have about money. Do you believe that money is hard to come by? Do you believe that you are not deserving of wealth? Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, you must replace them with empowering beliefs. You must visualize yourself as wealthy, feel the emotions associated with that state, and act as if it has already happened. Goddard believed that when we have faith in our desires, the universe conspires to bring them to us. He said, "Faith is not belief despite evidence. Faith is the ability to see beyond the evidence. When we have faith, we do not need to know how our desires will manifest. We simply need to trust that they will. Faith is the bridge that connects our desires with their manifestation." Goddard also believed that faith was contagious. When we have faith, we inspire others to have faith as well. He said, "Your faith will be contagious, and you will awaken in others the knowledge that they too are infinite beings." When we have faith in our abilities and potential, we inspire others to have faith in theirs. Beliefs are not only important for creating success and prosperity, but they also play a crucial role in our overall well-being. Our beliefs about ourselves and the world around us can either empower us or hold us back. For example, if we believe that we are capable and deserving of love, we are more likely to attract positive relationships into our lives. If we believe that we are unworthy of love, we may struggle to form meaningful connections. Goddard believed that our beliefs are not set in stone. We have the power to change our beliefs and in turn change our lives. He said, "The power of change is within you. All that you need to do is revise your concept of yourself." To revise our concept of ourselves, we must first become aware of our beliefs. We must examine our thoughts and ask ourselves if they are empowering or limiting. We must challenge any limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Goddard also believed that our beliefs are shaped by our imagination. He said, "Imagination is the beginning of creation. You imagine what you desire, you will what you imagine, and at last you create what you will." Our imagination is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires. By visualizing our desired outcomes, we can create a new reality for ourselves. However, Goddard cautioned against using our imagination to create negative outcomes. He said, "Imagination is everything. It is a preview of life's coming attractions. Imagination is the power to create or to destroy." We must be mindful of the images we hold in our minds and make sure they align with our desires. Faith, according to Goddard, is not just a mental concept. It is a state of being. He said, "Faith is an invisible emanation of consciousness, which when released will clothe itself in its appropriate form." Faith is not just believing in something, it is embodying it. When we have faith in our desires, we are aligning ourselves with the energy of our desires. Goddard also believed that faith is not limited by time or space. He said, "Faith enables you to bridge the gulf between the invisible and the visible, the spiritual and the physical. When we have faith, we can transcend the limitations of our physical reality and tap into the infinite potential of the universe." However, Goddard also recognized that faith can be challenging. He said, "Faith is not something that can be taught. It must be caught. To have faith, we must cultivate a deep sense of trust in ourselves and the universe. We must let go of our fears and doubts and embrace the unknown. To manifest your desires, you must have faith in yourself and your goals. Cultivating faith in oneself and one's desires is a process that requires dedication and practice. One of the first steps to cultivating faith is to identify any limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. This may require introspection and reflection to uncover the root of our limiting beliefs. Once we have identified our limiting beliefs, we can begin to challenge them and replace them with empowering beliefs. For example, if we believe that we are not worthy of success, we can challenge this belief by affirming that we are worthy and capable of achieving our goals. Another way to cultivate faith is through visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires and building faith in them. By visualizing our desired outcomes in vivid detail, we can begin to believe that they are possible and attainable. Furthermore, it's important to take action toward our desires. Taking action not only brings us closer to our goals, but also reinforces our faith in them. When we take action towards our desires, we are sending a message to the universe that we believe in them and are willing to work towards them. Having faith in our desires is essential for manifesting them. When we have faith in our desires, we are aligning ourselves with the energy of our desires. This alignment allows us to tap into the infinite potential of the universe and manifest our desires. Faith also allows us to overcome obstacles and challenges that may arise on our journey toward our desires. When we have faith in our desires, we are less likely to be discouraged by setbacks and obstacles. Instead, we see them as opportunities for growth and learning. Moreover, having faith in our desires helps build momentum toward their manifestation. When we have faith in our desires, we are more likely to take inspired action toward them. This action, in turn, creates more opportunities and momentum toward the manifestation of our desires. Faith is not just a passive state of being, it requires active engagement and participation. To cultivate faith, we must be willing to take risks, step out of our comfort zones, and embrace uncertainty. This can be challenging, but it is also essential for growth and transformation. One unique way to build faith is to surround ourselves with people who support and encourage our desires. When we are surrounded by like-minded individuals who share our vision and believe in us, we are more likely to have faith in ourselves and our desires. Faith is a powerful tool that can help us navigate through life's challenges and uncertainties. It gives us the courage to persevere when we feel like giving up and the strength to overcome obstacles that may stand in our way. Faith is not just a religious concept, it is something that we can all cultivate, regardless of our beliefs or background. One of the most effective ways to build faith is to focus on the present moment. When we live in the present, we are not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Instead, we are fully engaged in the here and now, which allows us to appreciate the beauty and wonder of life. When we are present, we are also more open to new possibilities and opportunities that may come our way. Another key to building faith is to let go of our attachment to specific outcomes. It is natural to have goals and desires, but when we become too attached to them, we can become disappointed or discouraged if they don't come to fruition. By letting go of our attachment to specific outcomes, we open ourselves up to new possibilities that may be even better than what we originally envisioned. Gratitude is also an essential element of building faith. When we focus on what we have and express gratitude for it, we are acknowledging the abundance in our lives. This sends a positive message to the universe that we are open and receptive to more abundance. Gratitude helps us to maintain a positive attitude and encourages us to look for the good in every situation. In addition to cultivating faith in ourselves and our desires, it's also important to cultivate faith in the universe. When we have faith in the universe, we trust that everything is working out for our highest good, even if it doesn't always seem that way. We may not always understand why certain things happen, but we can have faith that there is a higher purpose at work. However, building faith is not always easy. There will be times when we may feel discouraged or overwhelmed, and it can be challenging to maintain our faith in the face of adversity. That's why it's essential to practice and cultivate faith regularly. It is not something that we can achieve overnight, but is a journey that requires ongoing effort and commitment. One way to cultivate faith is through meditation or prayer. Taking time each day to connect with a higher power can help us stay centered and focused, even amid chaos. It can also provide us with a sense of peace and comfort that can be difficult to find elsewhere. Another way to build faith is through community. Surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals who share our beliefs and values can be a powerful source of support and encouragement. It can also help us stay accountable to our goals and commitments. Staying positive and maintaining an optimistic outlook are also essential to building faith. Negative thoughts and emotions can erode our faith and make it harder for us to see the good in our lives. By cultivating a positive attitude and focusing on the good, we can strengthen our faith and attract more positivity into our lives. Finally, it's essential to stay open-minded and flexible. Sometimes the universe has a different plan for us than what we had in mind. By staying open to new opportunities and experiences, we can expand our horizons and discover new paths that we may have never considered before. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this idea by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.